short winter getaway for a few days to put down these, warm up this place and put down the oil coat on the floor, which we didn't get to finish this summer. Real glad we did it. We agonized over what material to use, whether an oil or there's a soap, there's a wax, there's typical polyurethanes and stuff too, but we didn't want to do that. We almost did soap, but I'm really glad we went with this sort of oil-based wax. It's a matte finish. I think it's pretty all natural. Won't last, it will require some maintenance. It'll have to be reapplied probably over the years, but we can spot finish it, we can spot repair it, and it looks good. I don't think it looks too good up close because I just could not keep this place clean enough, and all my mistakes were evident when I'm down here applying the wax. But standing up and glancing at it, it looks great. When we get furniture and there'll be some rugs and stuff, I think it'll look good. We're supposed to only put 2 coats, but I wound up putting 3, one each day. And I'm glad we did 3. The difference this morning in looking at this 3rd coat over what was a dry 2nd coat yesterday is kind of remarkably better and even. It really finished off nicely. Okay, so it's going to cure for a month, which is almost perfect before we come back. And then we can kind of unpack the furniture and resettle into the the kind of partially finished living that we were doing here while we continue to work on the kitchen. I think is our next one of many projects. I've got to finish the windows too. They're just kind of tacked in place, but they need to be painted. These walls need to be painted. This window trim needs to be done on these 2 windows. Okay, that's the update.